So we've seen a situation where we have multiple interfaces which are connected to two different devices, switches, and assuming that the idea was for us to be able to create more links in order for us to pass more traffic. But the concept of spanning tree, which is by default enabled on Cisco switches, will prevent us from having all the ports on the two sides working, because spanning tree will block a few of them. Now, when this happens and your idea was to be able to pass traffic into all these links so that not necessarily using all of them at the same time, but so that you could be able to pass traffic to through the links, what you would want to do is use what we call the ether channels. And so logically, what we're trying to do is you want to pretend as if all these links are one links, and so all these ports becomes like one port, and this becomes like one port. So they'll have like something like port 1, or maybe something like port 1 here. But technically they have member ports, which is maybe from F0/1 to maybe F0/4. And so the idea is that with spanning tree will block them by default, but for us, we would have to use ether channels to be able to prevent this from happening.